Okay, welcome to the video, to the vlog. Today is 9th of July. I'll be climbing out the mountain tomorrow, 10th of July, as I mentioned yesterday. But then yeah, I won't be having any videos on 10th of July because I'll be filming and I'll be up at the mountains. Yeah, so I'm going to try to fit everything inside my boundary backpack, which is a lovely backpack. I usually use this to go for shoots and like everyday carry. It carries basically all my stuff, so hopefully I can fit all this, not the shoes though, like most of the stuff here inside the backpack, and then we'll be ready to go up the mountain. Have some stuff here, the notepad. Yeah, probably just gonna leave it in. Okay, so excluding the notepad, this bag is actually empty. So I'm gonna go through a few what I'll be fitting inside the bag and what won't be inside the bag. Okay, so this is quite hard. Where do I start? I'll start with the camera first. So the top compartment I'll be putting in my camera. Okay, so I forgot to mention this video is actually what's in my camera bag or what's in my hiking bag, or just plain what's in my bag climbing out Mount Kinabalu. What will I be bringing to Mount Kinabalu? So I'm gonna put in the microphone first, then the camera, the small tripod, and then the Osmo Action will be here. The Peak Design strap on top right here, and the Osmo Action will be sitting completely here, which is what I'm filming with right now. Okay, so I'll be bringing one lens because I can't bring a lot of stuff. I brought the kit lens with me, which is quite lightweight, so I don't know, the bag feels really lightweight a little bit. Okay, so what else? Open this up. There's like two compartments for you to put like water bottles, and two compartments here. Try to fit in some of the stuff. The what do you call these? These are not exactly protein bars, but I'm just gonna say these are protein bars. Right here, we should put it at the top though. I think I'll put it at the top. So there's no sugar, absolutely no sugar. Healthy life. Okay, power bank with the Apple cable. I probably should bring like a Type-C cable to charge my Osmo Action. And then wait, hold on. So I'm gonna bring this, one adapter and one Type-C cable. I'm not sure if there's like sockets for me to charge, but then I'm just gonna bring this just in case, because I'll be using the Osmo Action most of the time since it's easy to bring out, easy to use. So yeah, I will have to charge it. So adapter and cable. Oh, can't have any injuries for the climb. Okay. Okay, so these should be at the side pocket, and the power bank. Probably gonna use it in like the middle of the mountain, so probably gonna put it in the side pocket. So I'll put the stuff that I won't be using during the climb at like the very bottom. I want the stuff that I'll be using mid climb, mid journey on top right here, and probably some right here. I don't know if you can see it. So yeah, the cables, I won't be using any cables though during the climb. Some body and hair shampoo at the side as well. Some mints, strepsils for in case I have like sore throats or whatever. I'm just gonna put this in since it's quite small. Some flu medicine. You can see my bag already, so I'm just gonna put it in some plastic bag just in case. Some tissues, AirPods, you cannot go anywhere without them. Thailand, what do you call this? Sniffy sniff medicine. Yeah, so after you sniff this, you feel better with tummy and stuff. Wireless speaker to listen to music when we're on top, I guess. Here's ointments. Probably gonna use the mid climb if somehow I have like sore muscles and whatsoever. This tree is like they have the same use, right? Similar use. Probably have to read them before I go up to make sure that I know which one is for what. Then I'm gonna put this in the side pocket for easy access. Spectacles just in case I can't see shit right here. I forgot to bring my sunglasses. Fuck. I'm probably gonna put my sunglasses next to this because for tomorrow, because it's gonna be sunny. These are some heat tech gears. Shit, I didn't think this through. Okay. Wait, let's try to problem solve. This is how I'm gonna look tomorrow. Just two things of everything in my bag. One sling, kind of feels heavy, but then I think it's because of the hydro bag. Probably after drinking a few times of the hydro bag, probably make the bag like lighter. And then the sling is not much of a hassle for now. We're not sure. We will know for sure tomorrow. I actually wish that I can fit everything in the bag, but then I can't. So that's why this video, for you to see what exactly am I bringing up. Then what are the essential things I will let you know after the trip, and what I actually use during the trip. Then what are the things that you shouldn't bring, it's just gonna add more weight to your bag, things that you should remove. Okay, so yeah, I guess that's it. Probably gonna tinker around with my bag for a while, try to see what I can do with it. If not, then I'm just gonna go with this. Yeah, not too bad, but then yeah, we see how. Alright, thank you so much for watching the video. Just see you guys after 2 days or after 1 day. Alright, see you.